Businessman Robert Vadra, husband of Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and brother-in-law of leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi, appeared before the Enforcement Directorate in Delhi today. This follows a second summon issued to him, the first having been on April 8. Mr. Vadra is being questioned in connection with a money laundering investigation under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. The case pertains to a 2008 land deal in Haryana involving his firm Skylight Hospitality. The land was purchased for Rs 7.5 crore. A permit was later granted to develop a housing society, after which the land's value reportedly increased. The property was then sold to real estate developer DLF for some 58 crore rupees. The Congress was in power in Haryana at the time with Bhupinder Hooda as Chief Minister. The BJP has repeatedly accused the Congress government of facilitating the deal by acquiring land from farmers and benefiting Mr. Vadra. Mr. Hooda has denied these allegations. Quote, I challenge that the Congress did not give even an inch of government land to Robert Vadra. If the BJP shows proof of giving land to Vadra, I will quit politics, unquote, he stated in October last year. Before entering the ED office, Mr. Vadra told reporters, quote, whenever I raise the people's voice, they try to suppress me. I have nothing to hide. They can ask me whatever they want and I'll answer them, unquote. He described the investigation as political vendetta by the BJP and a witch hunt. He was accompanied by a group of Congress supporters chanting "Jab Jab Modi darta hai, ED ko aage karta hai," translated, whenever Prime Minister Modi is scared, he calls on to the ED. This echoed accusations from Congress and other opposition parties that the central government uses investigative agencies to target rivals, particularly around election time. However, Mr. Vadra is not a politician, despite repeatedly hinting that he might become one. Ahead of the 2024 Lok Sabha election, there were reports he might contest from Amethi, a traditional Congress seat held by Rahul Gandhi until its defeat in 2019 by BJP's Smriti Irani.